I didn't put the food in the fridge.
It broke.
Oh wow, inside?
You could probably.
Oh. Gunky. Yeah, it's an old school car.
One up here. Yeah, that one's around the back.
Okay.
This.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. So, like, what were we doing? Like, working on cars?
You're gonna have to touch. He said that they do a little all the stuff, but I don't know if you guys are gonna be working one of those things.
Oh, you dropped one there?
Yeah, I dropped one. It bounced right there. I can see it.
Grab it. Okay.
Oh, I have one of those sticks with the magnets.
I have a bunch of those too. I gotta find it. Yeah, let's not lose this stuff.
But you gotta talk to them and tell them. I mean, your papa told me you could do any of those things. So he said to go and talk to him.
But where?
Huh?
Where do you go?
Where? Well, I gotta ask your papa because your papa first asked me to ask you if you were interested.
Yeah.
If you wanted to go.
Yeah, whatever. I mean, money's money. I need money right now.
Yeah.
Just because I wanna fix these cars.
Okay.
And that the black one, that's gonna cost me money to smog it. So I
Because
don't.
he also told your papa also told him you were going to school, so you gotta be talking to him. Depends on.
Yes, someone took this car apart before us.
It's fucked.
Because there's no washer on the other three, but only on the one.
Yeah, okay.
Are you gonna take all the classes online?
I'm gonna try. I need to see what I need to take, honestly.
Are you still gonna take more mechanic?
Maybe one more and that's it.
One more?
Yeah, just for the time being, because I want to finish the rest of them up. Because I pretty much got the skills down, so every class I've taken is helping me so far. Like right now, the most important class I'm taking is electrical, and then the last one I want to take is diagnostics. I should have done that last semester.
The good thing that you guys are getting a lot of practice in that.
Yeah, and that's the reason why I bought this car.
Yeah.
That's why I wanted to work on the BMW. And that's why I got the 240, because I wanted to work on the Nissan. And then we have these two old school Volkswagens. I only have German cars and Japanese cars.
And then you have mine.
Yeah, that's a Japanese car. I wanted to work on Becky's car, but you know, they took it over, right? The Corvair. That would have been cool to work on an American car, carbureted.
Your truck's carbureted?
No, my truck's not.
Oh yeah, it's fuel injected.
It's injected, yeah.
We could work on my Mercury.
Yeah.
Or my Mustang.
And that truck back there.
Oh, you got a Mustang?
Yeah.
Yeah, he has a Mustang.
Oh,
he has
from the 70s, 80s?
The 75.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, he has an old Mustang. He has an old
those are the ones I like.
old Grand Marquis, like those old big American cars.
Oh, the Grand Marquis?
Yeah, he has an old one from the 70s.
Yeah, those ones from the 80s, they were so popular.
They're so expensive on gas though.
Yeah, it's huge. The thing he has is big.
I know, they're big.
Mine's a 4-door. That seems fucking ginormous.
Yeah, he has that one. He has an Explorer.
Everybody wanted to have a Grand Marquis, and
Yeah, because it's a luxury car. It was a luxury car back
like
then.
the cool cars.
It had so much power, that's why. 360 horsepower stock.
Yeah, it's a big ass car.
Oh,
I want to fix this one. I don't know about the black one. I don't know. Do you guys want to keep it or should I sell it?
you should sell it so you can get the money and pay whatever and I mean use it to either to fix the rest of your cars and then sell it and then but you can always
You're still gonna have to take this thing off.
you can always keep buying more after you fix the ones you have in here.
Yeah. Actually, we'll come off.
Don't let me get the rest of them now.
Okay, so I'm gonna go.
Okay, well. Yeah, well.
Alright, see you tomorrow.
Okay, I'll be here. I'm not going anymore.
Forget the food maybe so
Yeah, well.
Bye.
Bye. So what do you want to do?
Fuck, well, the tension or get the bands off.
I think I might have to put a bolt back in there.
To get that right now?
So I can take this thing off, yeah.
Put it back in there. Fuck it.
You keep dropping that shit right there. I can see it.
Fuck, okay. Yeah, that'd be cool to use. Just whatever. Job. Work on the weekends. Just stack up a bunch of money.
I can't get this stupid shit.
That's a big ass fucking. I have a crescent wrench we can use.
Fuck it, man. Fuck, let's just loosen that thing and pull it off. That thing.
Oh, we still have to pull this thing, yeah.
I'm good to borrow one, so. Look, you have a crank sensor in it, man.
Yeah, I saw it earlier. Alright. Fuck it, then I'll post it up for a trade. I'm gonna hit that guy up with the white E28.
E28 is the one you want, right?
Yeah. Well, ask him if he'll be down the trade. Okay. Got two old schoolers. Let's clean this up a bit. It's really grimy.
I think it's funny how people panic and then you do an oil change and everything's fine.
Like who, your friend?
Yeah, like him too, like.
Oh, my mom.
And your mom and something.
Oh, she's just because. Oh, because she doesn't really think about it. The reason why I knew that was just an oil change because I had studied it before and I did the cam sensor. I researched it last time.
It makes sense too. So.
Yeah, it does. It's just so dirty.
Alright, there you go. It's on. Can you put more of them on?
You should have left this belt on.
You want to leave it on?
So we could like. Because I was thinking about leaving the belt on and holding this with like a crescent or something.
Alright.
Well, you undid that one. And you slip that one back on there if you can.
We have to loosen it and then we'll do it again.
Yeah, do it again. And I'll hold this one with the crescent wrench, and you just yank that one off, and then you can loosen this thing.
Or what we could do is we could loosen it, the alternator, and then we could put the belt on, and then we could tighten the, like, hold the belt tight as shit. There's still a bolt on here, right down here, and there might be one on the back side over there.
The alternator has some bolts there.
You should have one in the front right here, and then one on the back, maybe. That's where mine is on mine. Go ahead.
Let's get that.
Is there one on the back side?
Check get the tool. See, I'll look it for right now. It looks like